guys, welcome to another episode of Greeny's RC. Today me and Lou are going over to Ribble Valley Radio Control Truck in Leyland. So we're taking our globe liner with us and we're going to go and have a play up there with their setup. It looks really cool, really looking forward to it. I'll quickly spin you around and show you what we're taking. So this is our Tamiya globe liner, which we inherited off a friend of ours. I've added some lights to it, so we've got a full light kit now, so everything lights up. And I need to do something with the interior because you can see all the wires. But apart from that, I'm still working on it. But we'll take it over and have a play. Well, I say we'll have a play. Lewis will play, and I'll have a go if he'll let me. He loves driving this truck. He spent 7 hours at Bridlington just driving this thing around. So yeah, I just sat and enjoyed the weather, to be honest with you. But yeah, we'll go and have a play anyway, and we'll see you when we get there. Stop there. forward. Hi guys, thanks for watching. We are back at the workshop. Hope you enjoyed the video, short as sweet as it was. Really enjoyed it today. Lewis actually let me have a drive for about 10 minutes, so I did well out of the 3 hours that we were there. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Next week we're going back over to reactive terrain with the mini crawlers. I'm picking up my new comp chassis, so I'll do a little bit of a video on that, and they've actually changed some things up there, so I'll do a little video of the new areas and stuff, so you can check all that out. Please go and check out Ribble Valley Trucks in Leyland. I'll put a link to their description, to their Facebook page in the description anyway. Please go and check them out. Lovely bunch of people, very welcoming. First time me and Lewis have ever been, so and met some nice people, had a good chat, and yeah, it was a wicked day. So yeah, anyway, yep, hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, comments, whatever YouTubers do. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye.